We're gonna discover the shelves and the things move off of them. Yep. Let's leave them all on the shelves. Come on. Let's walk this way. Let's walk this way. Oh! It's glass? No, it's plastic. Okay. That's the way it actually goes. Oh, there it goes. The scraper. How about we walk to the kitty section? Come on. Come on, let's go see the kitty stuff. Let's go see Squish's stuff. Yay! Okay. This will be even more fun. Look at this. Look. Maybe this is actually doggy stuff. I think there might be some kitty stuff down here though. This is all doggy stuff. Ball. Ball. That's right. Ball. Okay, come on. Let's go. Ready? Whoa. Look. What is this? Doctor said to have her walk a lot, so. Oh my, small cans. Because the MMR, she said that she won't get any adverse effects if she walks a lot. I don't really know if that's true or not. That's what the nurse said, but it can't hurt, so.